the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. It'd be a little bit tricky around this time. It looks like the rain is falling all across the map. If you're headed towards downtown Fort Worth, it looks like things are starting to get bogged down, especially on West Loop 820 southbound at I-30. We do have an accident there that's blocking the right lane of the ramp to 30 eastbound. So if you are trying to make your way through there, it's a little bit difficult as you try to make your way through Fort Worth.
The Dallas-Fort Worth forecast here on this Tuesday. It's the 4th of November, 2014. Rain on the move as clouds are already gathering this morning. Tropical connection with this moisture coming in as a cold front is hooking up with some moisture from what is now Hurricane Vance and pulling it in off the eastern Pacific. So a little bit of a fetch here of moisture bringing some heavier rainfall to the west that's spreading east, and we'll get some generous rain, but the rain total should keep us below flash flood guidance, although flood watches are in effect.